Hello friends, how are you? Hope you are doing well. We were at the Kotlin course and let's see how we can proceed it to way to Android development. So we were discussing earlier in an earlier video we have discussed val and var. What is val keyword, what is var keyword and how to use it. So in this topic today we are going to discuss about we are going to discuss about conditions. What are the conditions we use in Kotlin? Once we get to know in Kotlin, we can easily use it in our Android apps. So in Kotlin, this player class we have created earlier. Just save these classes for future references. So we have a main method, okay, and we have a player class, variables. For conditions, what are the conditions are there in Kotlin? Let's see and create a class called condition. Okay, conditions. So as you know, the class keyword starts with a capital letter. First alphabet starts with a capital letter. Okay, so suppose if we want to create any condition, what kind of condition we can create? Let's create a variable. For example, if we talk about school for today, if you want to go to a school today or not, so let's see. For example, result. We create a result variable and we add a condition true to it. Okay, and we make use of if. If is the keyword which is used to show how to use condition in our real cases. For example, result. If result is there, okay, if condition is true, okay, println we will go to school, okay, else we would not go. Okay, there is no use of semicolon in it. So here it is giving error. Why it is giving error? Because we have to make use of conditions. This is also not working. So what we should use? Since we have declared it as a boolean, for example 3, if result is equal to 3, this is not working. Okay, so why it is not working? Since you should be knowing, once you write any code in a class, you have to declare it in a function. So what happens, why function is created? Function we create so that to make our code precise and we can easily make use of these functions in our main class or main program, and it helps to reduce our code. Okay, so how we can fix this problem? We can easily fix this problem by creating a function. So let's create a function. As you know, we make use of fun keyword. There is no return type. Okay, see, now error is removed. So what this condition is saying, if result is true, if you want to go to school and you are perfectly all right and you really want to go to school, then today you will go to school. If the result is true, okay, so you will go to school. For example, are you ready to go to school? You can say is ready. Okay, are you ready? Once you are ready to go to school, you have packed your bags, you have taken your books, everything you have taken. So once you are ready, you will definitely go to school. So now what we will do, we will create an instance of this class. Okay, val, you can make use of val or var. You can view my last video to understand when to use val, when to use var. We create a instance, for example, instance, we can use instance conditions. I have used wrong. I have to use class conditions. Okay, and since we have not declared any primary constructor, we can easily run this method instance dot, what was the method? Method was run condition. Okay, run condition. So what it will print, let's see. It's taking time. First time once you start it, it takes time. We will go to school. Okay, so if, for example, if you're not ready, the condition would become false and else would run. Okay, let's run it again. We would not go to school. Okay, you would not go to school. We can add another condition also. Else if for example, another condition, if you want to write, we are in way to school, or like we are in between, we are just going to school. Okay, here also as if else if so I have somewhat modified the code. So like if you are ready to go to school, you will say 1, you are ready. Okay, if you're not ready, then you can say we are in a way to school. So 2 condition would run, and then if you don't want to go to school, you will give another condition and either another value 3. Okay, so is ready. Let's run our code. We will go to school. Okay, and if we are in a way, so we are in a way to school. And if you don't want to go to school, we would not go to school. Okay, so this is how we make use of if else condition, and we have used nested if and normal if condition. So in the next video we would see another type of conditions or some other topic related to Kotlin. Okay, thank you.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.